Hello guys, this is Dr. Saddam and welcome back to Read English Test channel. In this video, I am going to give you a small tutorial on how to change the number plate lights from yellow normal bulbs to white LED lights. Okay, so it's a very basic and simple process and the video is very short as well. So please do watch the video till the very end.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for the latest updates and notification. Till the next video, take care and bye bye.